go to section 2, usage principle of MA. So this we will talking about granular trading rules. Okay. We go to here first. Okay, for the MA, in here, we can know, we need to understand for how we use the MA to know about the buy and the sales, buy signal and also sell signal. So we go to here. Okay, the granular trading rules. So just now we have talked about the MA is created by Joseph Granville. So this is also created by him, the trading rules. Okay, so he is the creator to create the Granville X trading rules. So he is also the first to propose the quantity price theory. So in the Granville trading rules, 4 of the 8 rules are used to just the time of buying. Okay, so here is the example lah. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, because 4 of the 8 is about the timing of buying, and the other 4 are used to just the timing of selling. So generally speaking lah, when the moving average is below the price and showing an uptrend, so we can call it is the time to buy. And another way lah, when the moving average is above the price line and showing a downtrend, then maybe it's the time to sell. So let's see the X Granville trading rules. Okay, we see the first part, buy signal first. So in the MA, for the buy signal, MA goes flat after dropping continue and it's upwards broken through by price. Okay, so here is the example for the first signal, for the first buy signal. So we look at this example. Okay, so this line, this black color line, we call MA line. Okay, so if you see your stock and then you see the MA line, your MA line is the direction is going back like this. Initially it's downward, but after that it's going back and then a bit upward. And then you see your stop price. You see the candlestick. So the dotted line is about the candlestick here. The price, the stop price. If you see the stop price, initially is going a downtrend, but after that, then you see the stop price is break through the MA line at here, break through the MA line already, and then going upward, going uptrend. So this is the first buy signal. Because why? Because the MA line is going to flag already, and after that it might going to upward. So then if you see the stock price, your candlestick here is break through the MA line here, then you may consider to buy the stock. So this is the first buy signal. And then the second one is, the second buy signal is MA access and stock price drop below the MA. Okay, drop, that's correct. Okay, for example, you see the MA line is flat and then after that going upward here. Then the stock price is always in the upper than the MA line. Going up and down, but got the support lah. And then going up again, down again. And then after that, here suddenly break through the MA line. MA line, break through it, but it break through again in the very short time. Then it may another buy signal that you can consider at here. Because why? The MA line is going uptrend. Then your stop price, your candlestick didn't break through the MA line. Even though here got breakthrough a bit, but after that, the candlestick, the stop price is move very fast. Breakthrough again the MA line. So here you can consider a buy signal also. So this is the second one. Then we go to the third one. The third one is the price fall towards the MA, then turn to rise again. So here we need to know the third buy signal also. The MA line, the MA is also going uptrend here. Okay, and then your stop price is never break through the MA. Never break through the support of the MA lah. Always go up and down, got the support, and then go up again, and then touch the MA line, but got the support again, so going up. So here got the 2 point you may consider as a buy signal. Because why? The MA here, the stop price did not break through it, so you can consider to buy lah, the stock. So next we go to the fourth buy signal. Okay, the fourth one, MA descends and price fall sharply and it far away from the MA. Okay, so sometime you will see the stock price, maybe is in a very low price. Then you can see lah. For the fourth buy signal, you see the MA line is going downtrend like this. It like a curve here lah. And then the stock price here, the stock price in the beginning is very near the MA line, but after that got a part is far away from the MA, and then after that is bounce up again. Then here you can consider to buy in because why is here is a very low price in the stock already so it may a small bounce at here, then you can consider to buy lah. Of course, if you not so sure is it can buy or cannot, then you can use other indicator also, combine with other indicator also. Because one indicator not really accurate, but if you can combine another indicator is more good lah. But here is to let you know that if you use MA to see the buy signal, so here got 4 that you need to know lah. The first one, the second, the third, and also the fourth. So this is about the buy signal. So after the buy signal, how about the sell signal? Actually, for the sell signal is a bit the ballet with the buy signal lah. We go to the first sell signal first. Okay, for the sell signal here, MA start going flat from uptrend, then the price downward break through it. Okay, if you see your stock like in the initially is in a uptrend, suddenly you see the MA line is going to be flat from the uptrend, because here is going up but suddenly here not going up already, is going a flat, and then you see your stock price initially is up above the MA line, even though got up and down, okay, got support, so didn't break through the MA line but suddenly here break through already, break through the MA line and then bounce up but cannot break through again, but the stock price is going down. Then here you can consider a sell signal, because why? The stock price is starting downward already, and then your MA line is changed the direction from the uptrend to flat. So you need to be aware on this if you see the MA line. So the third is for the second is second sell signal. MA decline and price fall below the MA after upward breaking through it. Okay, for here, the second one, if you see your MA line already is a curve for like this, but your stop price is below the MA. So try to break through, cannot, try to break through, cannot, and then break through again, but also very fast, going downward again. So here it may consider a sell signal, because why? The MA line is, because the MA is very sensitive. Just now I have mentioned MA is follow the stock price. If MA already is in a downward also, and then the stock price also in a downward, then here you might consider a sell signal. Okay, so we go to the third one. For the third one is MA is downward and price fall again before upward reaching it. Okay, at here, for here, MA is in a downward already, because you see flag and then going down, and price fall again in the upward trend. Okay, how to say? Okay, your MA line already in a downward, and then also your your stock price also is under the MA line. Got the resident, cannot break through, got the resident here, cannot, then got a resident touch the MA line but cannot break through, then going down again. So here you can consider a sell signal also, because why? To the MA line and also the stock price also is in the downtrend already. So you may take this as opportunity to access your stock. Okay, and then for the fourth sell signal, MA is upward and the price suddenly rise and is far away from the MA. Okay, for the sell signal here, you will see that the MA line, even though in an uptrend, see the curve here is uptrend, and also the stop price is above the MA line. Didn't break through. Here stop price, okay, going down but didn't break through, going up again, going down but didn't break through, going up, but suddenly the price is rise very high and then is far away from the MA. Why we say this is sell signal? Because normally MA is follow the price one. But suddenly if the price the stock price is rise very high and then far away from the stock from the MA line, then you need to be aware already, because why? It maybe here is a risk already. Okay, meaning that maybe here got a very short term the more chips for the short term profit here is gathered at here already, because the price is going very high already so maybe after that the trend will turn to downwards is relative high So when you see your stock price and the MA line is far away from the MA line of your stock price, then you need to be aware Maybe it is a signal to tell you that your stock already until a maximum, then you can consider to leave. So this is the 4 sell signal and 4 buy signal